Gritsko, and I'm at the recycling center here. I don't know if recycling center is the right way to do it, but this is where you can bring your scrap metal and bring it on in here in Charlottesville, and kind of interesting watching them as I'm getting ready to be paid for bringing in some metal. It's interesting to watch this machine work. Pretty crazy to see it as a claw. A little bit ago they just picked up a truck. I admit it'd be kind of fun to do this a little bit, to just pick things up and spin them around and throw them over there. At the same time, it'd be interesting to stay away from it. Sometime when you want to do recycling metal, come on down here and bring your metal. Otherwise, enjoy watching this recycling take place.